Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Dave Pearson and I am back here today with another awesome video. Today I will actually be showing you guys how to find killer products, and this is actually a technique that I have never seen anyone else show on YouTube before, and this is actually a really easy way to spy on your competitors. So with that said, if you like the videos, I do, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Everything is down below, everything you need to know. So with that said, let's just jump into the video right away. Alright, so we are inside the computer, and what I am going to show you guys is actually a really cool thing. Basically what we are doing is we are going to track top performing stores and what they are testing lately by using an RSS feeder. So every time they add a new product to the store, we will get notified and we can see what kind of product that is. This is really powerful because essentially we are spying automatically on top performing stores, and we know what they are testing currently because we can see in real time when they are publishing these new products. So obviously, since they are good performing stores, they know what they're doing, and they will probably be testing and vetting products on a high level. So basically we can just piggyback off of those products, which is really powerful actually. So let's just dive in and let me show you guys how we can go about this. If you don't know how to find good performing stores, my number one tip is to go to myip.ms and search for Shopify's IP, and I will link this site on this video in the description so you can easily find it. And basically what this is all the most top performing Shopify stores in the world are listed here, from 1 to anywhere to hundreds of stores. So let's have a look on these stores and see if we find anything that could be a dropshipping store, because that's what we are looking for. And by the way, guys, if you haven't seen my video where I go through this website a little bit more in depth, I would highly recommend you to go check that video out. I will be leaving that link in the description as well. So basically I would just walk through all these stores until I see a name here or a domain that kind of sounds like a dropshipping store. Or if you want to, you can manually just go through all these stores by clicking here, just popping up all these stores just to see what they are. Usually a dropshipping store name would probably have a word like deal or deals or discount or something like that doesn't sound really like a real brand. Real brands wouldn't put that in their name, so probably gadgets and things like that in their domain name. That would probably be a dropshipping store. I have now gone through a bunch of stores and I found a dropshipping store. So let's check that out real quick. And here we go. If we scroll down just a little bit, we can see a bunch of AliExpress products. So this store is probably dropshipping. Now the first step to use this store in our RSS feeder is we have to go to their newest products. We can either check if we can do it manually here. So if we go to shop now, for example, and then we can just sort by new to old. And basically this would be their newest additions. Now I would highly recommend getting this plugin. I will link this one in the description as well, and then you can just click latest products and it will pull up the latest products from this Shopify store, if it's a Shopify store. If it's not a Shopify store, it will not work. But basically it adds this code after the store URL, so you get up the latest products. So these are the latest products they have added on the store. Another thing you can do to confirm that this store is actually adding products is get the extent in the Chrome extension called Commerce Inspector. For this particular feature is actually free. You can view their newly added products for free. And as you can see here, 4 months ago they added this product. So this is not a particularly active store, but let's just use this store as an example anyway. You would have to find a store that are selling good, either by finding one of their ads on Facebook, and I have a video covering that as well, or if you find them on my IP, or if you know a store is doing really well for any other reason, always check if they're active. So this store has not been active for a while. 4 months ago is pretty long time ago, so they're probably not going to add anything more to this store. So if this was a real scenario, I would not add this into my RSS feeder. But for this example, I will do it. By the way, this plugin, I will also link it in the description. For this feature is free. Other features includes, like, you can see what their best-selling products are, estimated traffic, and how many units they are selling, and so on. It's all an estimate, but I think it's a very powerful tool, but you can get it for free if you just want to use this feature. So let's just add this website to our RSS feeder just for example. So we take the URL right here and copy it, and then we go into our feeder called feeder.co, and let's see how it looks when we get into here. When you get here, you'll probably have to make an account, and as well as add their Chrome extension. When you have done that, you can create you can add feed. So just click add feed and just paste the URL right there, and then click add feed, and make sure that you post the actual URL for the page where it's sorted on new to old products. So basically this is all the new products, and when they add a new product, it will get placed in the front here, and the RSS feeder will notice a change, and then it will send you a notification. So just click add, and you can just title it the store name, so when you add multiple stores, you know which store it is. This is just how often you want it to update. You can put it whatever you like. If you are checking it once a day, you can just take 1 day. If you want to track it super closely, you can choose to update it every 10 minutes. So it will check every 10 minutes if the store has added something new, and then it will notify you. And I usually just leave it like this and hit save. So there we go. This store has now been added. So let's just see, for example, how it will look if we have a store add another product. So this is my list of stores that I'm tracking. So let's just go into Dude Gadgets here at the top, and as you can see here, it says 3 days ago they added this, the fidget bundle. 3 days ago they added Shift Square, and as you can see here, they're new. I haven't clicked on it. I haven't clicked on the link, if I click here on the link, it will take you to the product page. And as you can see, when you pull up the thing again, it will not say new anymore. So if you don't want to check everything, you can just click the little arrow, little check mark there, so it displays as you have viewed it. So that is basically it. You can do this for as many stores as you like. And the plugin here, feeder.co, is actually paid. I think it's $5 a month. Is very cheap. Highly recommend you getting it if you are taking dropshipping seriously and want to scale your business. This is actually one of the best way where you essentially don't have to spend any time on product research. You're just leveraging other people's time to get their best products that they're testing, and then you can just see which ones of those products you want to test out yourself. So I love this method, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.